How frequently should an industrial company post on social media? For some industries, it's every day, but what about industrial?
Industrial companies should post every single day. And it just goes down to the basic principle of that you don't know when people are going to be online. So by posting every day, you're staying relevant and hopefully you're getting some engagement even from employees. And hopefully those employees are connected with people to where they can see that content. You post Monday, but the person you're trying to get in touch with or the group, they don't log in until Wednesday, but you haven't posted anything since Monday, then that content is going to be buried within the lower part of their feed. So by you posting every single day, it could be they log in, they're checking their LinkedIn, you just posted 56 minutes ago, you got 2 people that liked it and it shows up first on their feed. So it's kind of playing with the algorithm, right? It all comes down to the algorithm is going to show, number one, content that has likes, shares, and comments. Number two, it's going to be stuff that's relevant and recently posted, as long as it has some form of engagement. So as they log in, if you're trying to get in front of them, you need to post every day to stay relevant and to be able to compete with all of the rest of the noise on social media.